Hey, so you're looking to buy some quality traffic and you want to get some solo ads. You don't know where to actually go to get your solo ads for the Power Lead system. Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gionta and I am a member of the Power Lead system. I've been a member of the platform for a long time, so I'm very familiar with the tools and the training and everything like that. And I am one of the top recommended vendors for the company. So if you go in your back office, you'll notice that I'm listed there. And I just wanted to shoot this video for you so you actually know who I am if it's your first time getting solo ad traffic and everything like that, because you've been told to actually go and get traffic from places like Udimi or like other places like that, right? Which have a bunch of different solo ad vendors on there, which is fine. But the difference between me and them is I actually connect with you, personally, help you to optimize your results and be able to get the highest opt-in rate you could possibly get. My record right now is as high as 88% opt-in rate, which is unheard of in the industry. So my goal when I run traffic for you is to actually get at least a 50% opt-in rate and get over that actually. So I want to get you as high as possible and get you all the way up to in the 80s if I can. That's my goal, right? And to understand how to actually go about getting traffic is I've set this up to where there's no guesswork as far as when you get traffic. And I try to, give people a quality order, right? So I try to make sure that they have the results, that they get the sales, because a lot of times I was in that same situation because when I first started marketing, I didn't know where to turn to, and solo ads was one of the easiest ways to actually get traffic and build your list, which it's a very good strategy to use when you're first getting started because you can get traffic on demand. You build your list and you use your list to promote all your other content that you have online and everything like that. So if you're doing YouTube videos, which is a recommended strategy, but it's a more long term, you want to actually send those people from your list to your videos, which help people on your list to actually convert and make sales, as well as sending the people from YouTube onto your list. And then you're getting the paid traffic, the paid solo ad traffic on the back end. And that's how I do my marketing as well. So I use both those, strategies, and that's how you can find me on social media. I use Facebook a lot as well. But the difference between me and other vendors is I'm actually a marketer, and basically, I market. So um, there's a completely different thing because you want to try to get quality traffic and not just people that are selling clicks, right? So, most of the time, people just buy traffic. And after, burning through $87,000 in credit cards on paid traffic, solo ad traffic to be exact, I pretty much mastered the skill of getting traffic and generating leads. And, at one point I felt like I was just throwing money down the drain. I was like, okay, I have to figure this out. And if, everybody is getting, traffic from the same people, then it creates a thing to where traffic is just being recycled. And that's not going to, generate you leads. So you want to be able to get your traffic from a variety of different sources. And these sources are sources other than just solo ad traffic, right? So that's what I do. I help you to be able to set up your funnels and offers. I give you the highest converting pages. When you get because when you get an order from me, you have the opportunity to do a consult with me, which I highly recommend. And I make sure that you get the highest engaged people possible on there, and that's that's a difference between me and other people. And so here's the steps. You select your package, and then I could review your campaign, and then we go for the launch, right? And here's some of the results that I have, right? So if you notice, I have very high opt-in rates. Right here is 88.9. Right here is 50%. Right here is 85%. Right here, 65%, 65%, 79%, 82%, 71%. And these are updated very, very quickly. So you could either pick 90 or 100. And, basically, you want to check this out as well. Check out these questions. And if I scroll up here, is what you want to know is you want to know exactly where and where your traffic comes from. So here's where the traffic comes from. So if you look at this part right here, and I'm getting traffic daily, which is very important. So I get new leads daily. Here's the sources that I use, and that's basically what I do. So it's a mix of different traffic, and it's marketing traffic, right? So I have a solo ad list that's built off of marketing traffic, and that's the real difference. So if you want to get results in the Power Lead system and be able to make sales within the Power Lead system and be able to actually grow your business within the Power Lead system, I highly suggest ordering a traffic package from me, and that way I can actually help you to set everything up and start getting results. All right, so if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Make sure you share this video for the people that need to see it, and also make sure you click on that link below this video to get into my Facebook group, because it's going to be very, very important for you to actually get in there. It's a free group, so you can learn some skills and actually uh, get some nuggets of value that I give away for free. So make sure you click on those links in the description as well, and I'll talk to you soon.